Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution Code. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 Full Pro course. In this video is a 5 login with name, email and a phone number. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQLi. And this already run localhost PSP. My admin this database name. And this database name is a real state lara_11. This click this user table and this successfully this available table this name, email and phone number via login. This three name is available in this login, and this project is available gem folder inside this htdoc folder inside this laravel_real state. And this project is already open. This my sublime text editor and this database connection is already available. This implementation, please check this all previous video. Let's open this my project directory inside this command prompt and this run php artisan server and enter, and please this URL is a copy and this browser paste here and successfully paste. This URL is a copy and paste here and this working fine. This Laravel project and this ready-made project is available. This login screen is a breeze screen, this ready-made screen, this and this only login in this only available. This only email. Let's copy this email account and this password is a 123456789 and this click this successfully. Don't save and this login. Please wait. This correct password and correct email ID is import successfully login. This open this dashboard and this dashboard is available and this logout successfully log out and this login screen is available. Good working. This login screen is available, successfully available. Let's copy this name and paste here and this password is a correct password in this implement and let's click this login and this not available. This only email. Let's step by step set. This login screen is available and this project is inside this resource inside view inside this auth inside this available file name is a login.blade php file is open and this inside this sense this login this available inside. Let's login name and phone and this three field is available: email, name and phone. Inside this available database user table inside this name, email inside this phone number. This field is available. Let's refresh this page. Please refresh this page. This available name, email, name and phone number. This implementation. Let's login. Same here. Copy. First of all, this 4 inside this login text text. This login and this username is a good and this login successfully all set. This login 4 is the login. This name is the sense. This login and login. This successfully save. Good implementation. All is ready-made is available. This ready-made. Let's refresh this page. Successfully working. No error show. Let's login inside this available. Let's login and this app inside this http inside this request inside this auth inside this login request inside this available inside this login. Let's remove and this login this login is available. Name inside the same is a name login and login. Successfully login is set and this rules. Let's table name is by default ready-made model is available user model. This ready-made model Laravel by default model app http not a models and this user and this use has password and save. Successfully this ready-made model is a implementation model. Inside this model this app inside this model, model inside this user model. Successfully implement this login is a set. Let's new $this, otherwise new variable create user, new variable create user, and the same here copy user, where first is available, first is a email, this email account is a login, less email, same is a copy and paste here email, and the $this and this login same. Next is a where this or where is a simple implement or where, and second is available, this field name is a name, this field name same is a name, copy and inside this paste here name or where. $this login. Next is a phone number or where this phone is available inside this simply. Let's take this number is a set, this phone number is a set. Let's save file in this phone number is a set, this phone number set, and this number is a set, and this number successfully implementation, this mobile number is a set, any number is a set mobile number, and this name is a this login. Successfully all is a set, this name. Let's or where in this login, let's first record is a set, first save file. Let's inside this remove, not use this remove, and this by default boolean is a cut, and this boolean is a cut, and this working find this boolean, and this boolean is a set, the same here copy boolean cut inside this cut, and this enter, and this boolean cut, and this auth is already implementation login, the same name is a login, this login in this same login, and this $user, this same is a cut in this $user, and this boolean is a cut and paste here inside this paste, and this close this inside this boolean, this cut and paste here. Successfully boolean, this boolean is successfully set. Let's inside this not use this remove, and this auth is already implementation, this already auth is already implementation, two line is a implementation. Let's inside this same here not equal to, this not equal to user, this pi, and this hash tag is already set, this hash, this password. Check $this password inside this available, this name same name is a password, and this $user same is a password. Successfully set this place, this writing this function is all successfully set. Good working this implementation. This is a login set inside this two line set, this inside this login, this http request inside this auth inside this available, and this name is a set. Good. Let's check this refresh this page, not a issue. Let's same here copy this, let's contact number, this phone number is a copy, and this working, and password is a 1234, any password is a set, and this click this and don't save this credential, this password is a not a mess. Good working. Let's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is a set, and this login successfully login, working fine, this working is a fine. Let's log out, in this successfully log out, this number is a login is a good. Let's next is a Gmail account is a login, let's click this login, And this email account is already login. Good. And this successfully set this number. Let this name is a copy and this paste here, and this number is a wrong, and this submit. Successfully working. Good. This login, this get is a login is a successfully good working. This old name is a login. Let's move this number is the same here, copy, and this paste here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and click this and don't save, and successfully login user gop. And this user gop is a login. Last is a Gmail account. Let's check this Gmail account. This Gmail account copy, and this login, click this login, and this paste here, and this password is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this click this working fine. This Gmail account is a login. Good. Successfully working fine. This video is a done. This logout is a successfully set. 4 is a login, and this login is a email. This login, this password is a text, username autofocus. This video is a done. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Any doubt, so please contact this my errorsolutioncode.com website. This Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. Inside this lost project, please buy in very low price. And this my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this social media link is available. Please follow this all link. Thank you.